Hello, today we are going to solve this problem in LeetCode345, reverse vowels of a string. So, given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. Okay, so this is basically this is the problem, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and then they can appear in both cases. So here's the example. Let's say here input string s equals to hello, and the vowels in this hello is E and O, and then we just reverse E and O. So this is a problem. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So this problem we can actually use two pointer. We use two pointer to solve this problem. Yeah, here is the two pointer, and then for this problem, 1 second, let me see. So here's an example. This is another example. So we have a string S. We have E, E, O, E. This is a vowels. And then we after we reserve is become L, E, O, T, C, E, D, D. So something like that. So we only reverse the vowels. Okay, so we will keep the non-vowels stay in the same position. So for this problem, the first thing we need to do, we need to actually create a set. Create a set, put all the vowels in the set, okay? Let's do this way. String vowels, okay? This is a string vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and then A, E, I, O, U. Yes, it's like this. Okay, and then what we do? Static. Here is a set. We use a character. Character is a set. Okay, the name we call it a set. We new and hash set. We're using hash set in this problem. We put all the vowels in the hash set. Okay, we do for loop. Character C. Vowels to char array. To char array, and then what we do here, we just set the at C here. Okay, so basically what we do, we actually define a vowels. This is a string. We put the vowels here, A, E, I, O, U, and then we new and set. Okay, this is a hash set. We loop every single character, in character C in this string vowel. We convert the string vowel to a char array. Okay, to a char array, and then we loop every single element in the char array, and we put every single element from the char array, put it in the set. Set is a hash set we just knew. Okay, this is basically we are doing here. Okay, so 1 second. 1 second. We are doing this part. Sorry about that. Yeah, we are doing this part. We define this part in front. Before the method, not inside the method. Okay, and then because we're gonna use this vowels, this hash set later on. So what we do, so first, so the input for this problem is a string s, and then we will return another string. So we will return this string. Okay. So what we do here, we do char array equals to a string to char array. Okay. So what we do here, array. Okay. Yeah. So what we do here, actually, this is the string, right? So we convert the string to a char array. The name is called array, okay? And then we int left equals to 0 and the right equals to array length minus 1. Okay, that's right, that's left. And then we do a while loop. The while loop, when the left is smaller than right, okay, because we are doing two pointer, right? So we are doing two pointer. So what we do, actually, something like this, the two pointer. So we iterate here is left. We can iterate here is left. Okay, we actually change it to char array. It's not a string. Okay, I'm just give the example here. Actually, it's a string. It's a string. It should not be like it's character, because we convert this one to character first. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, and then the left, oh, okay, the left is here, and then the right, and right is here. So what we do, we are iterate the this char array, start from left. So here is it's not wolves, right? So what we do, we the left plus plus. So we put it here, and then we check this one is wolf or no. Yeah, yes, it's a wolf. Then we swap this one and this one. After we swap, we do left here. We do left here, and then we and here we do r minus minus. Now it's r here, and then we check the r, the right here is a vowel or no. Then we do again. We just do that again. This one is r, and then we check the left here is a vowels again, and then we swap. So we swap here is gonna be o. Here is gonna be e. So remember this one or this one, we already actually we also swap, but because it's e, so after swap is the same. And then what we do, we just iterate L again. This is L. Oh, not there. Okay, the L is here. Okay, the R actually it was here, right? After we swap, we just R minus, and then both of them are not wolves, and then L plus plus R minus minus. So the result, so it's gonna be like this end of the loop. So yeah, basically this is the algorithm. Okay. So here, while left smaller than right, then we do while here left smaller than right, and if the side is not contains array left. Okay, if it's not contain array left, so what we do left plus plus. Okay, and then what we do next, we do while left smaller than right, and set not contains array, right. Okay, so what we do, we write minus minus. Okay, this is basically what I'm doing. And then what we do then, we if left greater or equals to, or equals to right. So what we do, we just break here. Okay, we just break here. Okay, and then if we found that, and what we do then, we do slope. Okay, we define a char temp equals to array left. Okay, we temporarily put the left here because we are gonna to give the left value of the array right. Okay, and then what we do the right equals to the temp. Okay, this is basically the code. So after we swap the left, we do left plus plus, and then right, we do right minus minus. Yeah, this is basically what we're doing. And then after everything, after we break the while loop, left is smaller than right, and then what we do, we just return this array, but we are trying this array, but we are trying to make it array. We convert it to array to string. We convert the array to string, and then we return. Yeah, basically this is the code. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, it's accept. Okay, let's see. Okay, so our code is faster than 61% of other online user. Let's talk about the complexity for this problem. So the time complexity for this problem actually is O(n), because we just iterate. We use a two-pointer. We iterate every single element. So we iterate through left and right. So just once. So it's O(n). So the space complexity for this problem is also O(n), because here we are using is also O(n). Here's O(n). Yeah, because the Java has immutable strings, so we need to copy that string. So that's why the space complexity is O(n). Okay, let's submit again. Let's try to see here. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you again.